Alright, so the point of this video is to show you how to upload something. So once you're finished with an assignment and you have it where you want, I want you to make sure you can take a good screenshot of it. So zoom in on it, make sure I can see everything, and then please change the name to include your name in the file so that way I know you're not cheating, it's actually your work. At that point, take a screenshot. You need to push the power button and the home button at the same time. Hold them in for a second and it will take a screenshot. It'll show up at the bottom of your screen. At that point in Schoology, click on the assignment, you're submitting it, and then you're going to go click over on that second tab, hit the plus sign, and then submit photo video. Once you click on that, it will pull up your camera roll. You might have to give it permission first, but once you pull that up, you will click on your camera roll and scroll all the way to the bottom. And at the very bottom, you'll find your screenshot. Once you click on that, there will be a green check mark up at the top of the screen. Check that, and once you check that, it will actually upload the screenshot. That is what I'm going to grade here for these first couple assignments. You can double check to make sure it worked, click on the file, and it should show you a preview of it, but that is what I am going to use to grade. So please go ahead and do that.